Hey guys, welcome to Health in the Kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you a delicious and healthy recipe for tuna wrap with grated carrot and cream cheese, if you haven't signed up on our channel. Be sure to sign up and activate notifications so you don't miss any recipes. Oh, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave the like and a comment to tell me what you think. So let's go. To make this tuna wrap with grated carrot and cream cheese, you will need the following ingredients. Makings: 2 whole tortillas, 1 can of tuna in water, about 170 grams 1 medium grated carrot, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, chopped American lettuce to taste, salt and black pepper to taste. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's go to the preparation. In a bowl, mix the drained tuna with the grated carrot and cream cheese. Season with salt and black pepper to taste and mix well. Spread a serving of tuna mixture in the center of an integral tortilla. Place a serving of chopped American lettuce over the tuna mixture. Wrap the tortilla, closing the ends so that the filling does not come out. Repeat the process with the other tortilla. Cut the wraps in half and serve immediately. And it's ready. A delicious tuna wrap with grated carrot and cream cheese, easy and quick to prepare. And speaking of easy and fast, I want to recommend my ebook with over 30 healthy and practical recipes for your day-to-day. In the ebook, you'll find recipes for every meal of the day, from breakfast to dinner. And best of all is that all recipes are simple and quick to prepare, ideal for those who want to eat well without wasting time in the kitchen. The link to download the ebook is in the video description. So guys, what did you think of this recipe? If you liked it, leave the like and a comment below. And if you haven't signed up for our channel yet, be sure to sign up and turn on notifications so you don't miss any healthy prescriptions. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for tuna wrap with grated carrot and cream cheese. Be sure to try it at home and tell me what you found in the comments. And if you want more healthy recipes like this, sign up and activate the bell to stay on top of all the healthy delights we bring here every day. God bless you.